Good morning from the heart of New York City. This is a Better Self Daily Show dedicated to one thing to learn and apply to live as a better self daily. I'm your host, Angela Shurina, your personal trainer, your personal nutritionist, your personal health and wellness coach, your fellow biohacker, and just someone with a lot of passion for healthy living, healthy eating, healthy food, longevity, nutrition, fitness, movement, everything and anything in between, and just feeling your best, looking your best, and performing your best on all levels. Today, the topic of today is a question that I'm also asked a lot by many of my friends, of my clients, and people who I just randomly talk about nutrition and healthy food and healthy eating. That is basically everyone. So people often ask me, how do I make healthy eating fun? Like, how do I eat healthy and have fun, but also how do I make healthy food delicious? And I have 3 strategies tried and proven that work for everyone in one form or the other. So stay tuned. So the method number 1, how to make your healthy food delicious and fun, is to find substitution for all the foods that you love, that you consider fun. Find healthy substitutions. And we are so lucky to live in this age and day when there are so many fun and healthy foods available on the market. It's not like in older days that if you decided to eat healthy, you gotta eat, only vegetables and only healthy meats and fats and, cook it yourself and never have anything what you consider fun, never have any dessert or anything. No, you can these days go online and order sugar-free cookies that are also gluten-free, that are made with superfoods, with things like coconuts, walnuts, chia seed, almond flour, sugar-free chocolate chips. You can Google sugar-free ice cream. I actually recently had ice cream that I bought in Whole Foods that is coconut milk based, sweetened with stevia, completely sugar-free, and it was really good. So also there are tons of healthy stevia and other sweeteners, sweetened chocolate that getting better and better. Like try for example Lily's stevia sweetened chocolate brand. Their milk chocolate is just amazing. Like it tastes like any other chocolate you like, and it's sugar-free, it's good for you. Chocolate, cacao is actually a superfood that's considered to be food of the gods by the Mayan and Aztecs, and it actually boosts your brain performance. That is proven by science. So anyway, you can have your healthy pizza. You can I think there is I need to look it up, good for you pizza or something like that, basically gluten-free crust made of some kind of vegetables or low carb pizza. There are pasta made of only one ingredient, chickpea flour. There are all kinds of healthy foods. Basically whatever it is you consider unhealthy or fun and delicious, you can get it healthy. You don't even have to make it yourself anymore. That's how good it is on the market. Just, do the research or ask me, shoot me email to angela@createyourself.today, and I'll send you all the links you'll ever need to get any kind of product that you miss or you think you're going to miss on a diet or healthy eating lifestyle. So this was method number 1 to make your healthy food delicious. Just find all the amazing substitutions for the food you like online at the stores. You can get it almost anywhere these days. It's really easy. Then method number 2, if you're into cooking, then look up some alternative recipes. Again, whatever it is you like, look up the healthy version of that recipe. And again, with the modern development of food industry, healthy food industry, industry. There are actually almost, I don't know, I have not encountered yet an unhealthy recipe that cannot be substituted with a healthy one and cannot be Googled or looked up in some recipe book. So again, just do some research, and there are tons and tons of fun and healthy recipes of any kind of food, like literally whatever it is you like, you can find a healthy recipe for that food online. And the third method, probably the most fun one, because it engages other people, because it connects you with other people, with your friends, with your family, with your loved ones, with your community. So get together for some events and do some cooking together. Make a potluck happen when everyone makes their own version of their favorite unhealthy food, and share the recipe, share your passion for healthy living, inspire each other, because at the end of the day, we all know that when we eat better, when we live healthier, we all win, we all feel better, and we all perform better, and we feel better about ourselves and about our world, and we have more energy and passion for our work, for our mission in this life. So you can also, like what I used to do with my friends when I back in Thailand, we used to do movie nights. We would pick a movie, something either fun or something that makes us think, something unusual, and then each of us again would bring some healthy new dessert or a snack or something they've discovered or something they decided to cook. Like I used to make a lot of raw vegan sugar-free cakes or ice creams or like a lot of different kinds of desserts, and I love doing that. And then you end up eating all this healthy fun food together, learning something, and also having fun watching this movie and engaging in interesting conversations. So that's what we used to do also. So these are the three ways that you can what I would say, eat your cake and have it too, or eat healthy and eat deliciously and eat in a fun way. So first one is look up all the foods that you like online and look up all the substitutions that are available these days, and there are many, and for any kind of food. Method number two is look up all the fun recipes that you can make instead of the ones that are unhealthy. And also for any kind of unhealthy recipes that you love, there is a healthy one that is equally delicious. The only thing it requires is for your open mind and willingness to experiment and learn new things. And method number three is do something fun together with your friends, with your community, with your family around healthy food. So learn together and improve your eating habits together, support each other. Again, at the end of the day, everyone wins. Everyone feels better, everyone looks better, and everyone eats delicious, healthy, fun food, helping planet and healthy food producers to grow their businesses, so there is more and more healthy food available. So if you have any questions, if you want any links to fun, healthy, delicious products, shoot me email to Angela@createyourself.today, Angela@createyourself.today. Thank you for listening, guys. Have an awesome Tuesday, and till next time, live as a better self today.